And just like that, we are back in the hustle and bustle of Bangkok. What are you doing today?
I don't know. I want to just chill out.
Huh?
I want to chill out. Peaceful.
Chill out? Are you going to come to the floating market?
Maybe. If you are you going?
Yeah. I'm going only if you're going.
Wait.
You haven't seen it already?
Yeah, maybe. I've not seen it.
How are you feeling today?
Fucking sick.
My Italian compadre is fucking sick. So here we have
What the fuck,
Mike.
What's happening?
He fell in love with the girl at the bar.
Not true, he's saying bullshit.
She has the right proportion. Little tushy.
Talk about me when I'm gone, oh honey.
This is today's squad. Coming in at 7'1". We have the Italian mafia.
Italian monster.
The Italian
We
stallion.
got the fucking beard.
The beer god.
My eye is fucked up.
You're always
My
fucked
eye
up.
is fucked up.
He's so fucking sick.
Fuck guys.
It's
Don't follow this guy. Guy, don't
What?
follow. Don't follow.
What? You must give me a little follow.
He's actually,
little-
he's fucked up.
Parmigiano. Reggiano. Italiano. Classico.
Italiano.
Classico.
Raga, non seguitelo. Gli italiani da casa non
Okay, so listen. You like Andrea Bocelli?
Andrea Bocelli.
You like Andrea Bocelli?
No, I don't like. It's too classic. I mean, it's a culture of Italian and I like this kind of stuff. But
You like Andrea Bocelli?
I don't know what you're saying.
I love Andrea Bocelli. Bocelli.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone, oh honey.
So 45 minutes later, we are hot, sweaty, and almost there though. Almost there. This guy realizes that he's out here. He drove all the way out here for like $10, and now no one's gonna take it back aside from us. So we're trying to negotiate a deal, trying to get him to hang out with us because we need more friends. We like friends, right? Looks like we have arrived. Massive. For scale, here's my finger. So this family over here, I guess, just adopted this massive field full of airplanes, and this is probably the full-time job that they got going on right now. Just charging the foreigners. If the foreigners don't even go out here, but I'm telling you, like our tuk-tuk driver hasn't even seen this. He didn't even know what it is.
I don't know if it's safe, bro.
Of course it's not safe.
Holy shit, you have a massive spider on your leg.
No, I don't.
Holy fuck.
Are you kidding?
Holy fuck, here, let me get it. Let me get it. Jokes. Got him.
Dude, not funny.
Got him.
Bon voyage!
How did you get in there? You're on the second decker right now.
747, baby.
Let's get in the back of this. Here we have the face mask that comes down. Guess that didn't work too well. Why are you scared? Come.
No.
I'll hold you.
No.
You come on my back.
This is nuts. This is nuts.
Oh,
How
fuck.
can we get down now?
You have to just jump.
No.
Come on, do it for the
I'm gonna
video.
block my leg, bro. Fucking hell.
Catch this.
If I don't catch, it's not my responsibility. I'm telling you. Here, right?
Alright.
Here.
Yeah,
No
do you think he's
there,
gonna catch
no
it or
there.
not? Stand on the grass. Hey!
You're gonna fall. Pull. Do you wanna drink something?
I need some water or beer or something. Air conditioning feels so freaking good right now. So good. That was fun. Made friends with the tuk-tuk. Time to go swimming.